Good morning children. On last class means on Wednesday's class we learned starting 4 story problems which is present in the textbook page number 118. Okay. What we did? All the 4 story problems we solved and how to arrange the numbers by reading the question. This all we learned in the notebook. Same. The remaining 4 we are having A, B, C and D. These story problems, 4 story problems we learned on Wednesday's class. In today's Friday's class, I am going to teach you E, F, G, H, which are the last 4 story problems present in the textbook page number 180. Textbook page number 180, which contains remaining 4 story problems. At first, I will write all the stories in the notebook. What you have to do, children? You have to open your textbook and copy the question number E in your notebook, and you will see this one. See, children, page number 118. Starting A, B, C and D, 4 story problems we learned in our last class. Today we are going to learn E, F, G, H. These 4 story problems we are going to learn in today's class. Take down today's class work, date. At first, question number E, I already wrote in the notebook. See this one. Till question number D, we learned yesterday. Today, question number 5. This is class work, day and date. You have to mention. Question number E. Mr. Amol spends rupees 54,963 on travel expense and rupees 32,165 on other expense. What is her total expenditure? Total expenditure means we have to do the addition. First we will see he spent for travel expense how much? For travel expense how much he spends? Rupees 54,967. and on other expense, on other expenses he spent rupees 32,165. Now we have to find the addition answer. 6 plus 5, remember the 7 plus 5, remember the digit 7. Take down 5 fingers after to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 plus 2, 12. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 6, after 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 3, 13. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 4 plus 1, 5. After to 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. After 3 digit, always we had to give comma. See, this is her total expenditure. What we have to write? What is her total expenditure means? We have to write answer as rupees. How much? 87,132 is her total expenditure. Same what we are having in the question, we have to rewrite in the answer. Next, question number F, we are having Anita's monthly petrol expenses rupees 3,840 and Reena's monthly petrol expenses rupees 4,957. Tina's monthly petrol expenses rupees 4,889. What is their total expense for petrol? Means we had to add all three monthly petrol charge we had to add. Here first Anita's petrol expenses, Anita's monthly. First I will arrange the numbers in a column. What you have to do, children? You have see, children, I already arranged the numbers from the question. Anita's monthly petrol expenses 3,840, Reena's 4,957 and Tina's 4,889. Now we will add this number. 0 plus 7 is 7 itself. 7 plus 9. After to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 6, 16. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Like this. If we are having round figure numbers means we have to count in a mind. Directly we have to write the answer. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Otherwise 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 8. After to 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 2, 6, 26. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4. After to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 3, 13. After 3 digit we have to give comma. What is the total expense for the petrol we are having? 13,686 is their total expense for petrol. Means rupees 13,686 rupees they will spend for the petrol for every month. Next, question number G we are having. Amol paid the school bus fees of both their child. He spent rupees 2,668 for Rishi and rupees 3,865 for Varun. What is the total fees? Amol paid how much for Rishi? For Rishi, he paid rupees 2,668 for Rishi, and for Varun he spent rupees 3,635. So what was the total fees? Total means we have to do the addition. 8 plus 5. Remember the digit 8. Take down 5 fingers. After to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 3, 13. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8. After to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 5, 15. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So, what was the total fees means? Here we had to write answer as rupees. How much we are having the rupees? 6,533 was the total fees. Here the same line we had to write instead of what we had to write the total amount, and remaining all the words we had to write as it is. This is the total amount Anmol paid for a bus fees of her 2 children. Next and the last question. Sunil travelled 10,300 km in January, 16,800 km in February, and 9,990 km in March. How many kilometers did you travel in all in the 3 months? First, on January. On January, how many kilometers he travelled? 16,800 kilometers. Then on February, this J also you have to make a small. See children, on January, that is 10,000. We have to make it correct answer. Sunil travelled 10,300 in January. On February, 16,800 kilometers in February, and 9,990 kilometers in March. This is 4-digit number. While arranging the 4-digit number, you have to be very careful. Okay, this many kilometers on March. Now we have to add the numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 9, 9 itself. 3 plus 8. Remember the digit 3. Take down 3. Remember the digit 8. Take down 3 fingers. After to 8, 9, 10, 11. Remember the 11. Now take down 9 fingers. After to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. 2, 0, 20. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 9. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1 carry, 7 in the place of 1000. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So, this is the total kilometer they travel for 3 months. Total he travelled 37,090 kilometer in all in 3 months. Okay, these 4 story problems we learned in today's class. Once again, see this one starting from question number E. This is first story. Pause the video and complete it. This is an answer. Next, question number F. This is the answer. Pause the video and complete this story. After clear, we are having G. See this question. At first copy the question and as well as the solution. And the last question number H we are having. See this one and copy it down and prepare well for tomorrow's test. Homework, you had to resolve it for 2 times. Okay, resolve it 2 times and prepare well for tomorrow's test. Okay children, do it properly, prepare well for tomorrow's test. Have a nice day. Bye.